A lot of religious dialogue ingrained into our nature. Just like, saying bless you, for example.
Yeah,
We're starting to see some of that with science, like calling people, hey, you're such an Einstein.
totally.
There's some of
Oh,
that
great
that's going
parallel.
to, there's going to get, I would predict that there's going to be more of that that's going to become commonplace in our language, and it might even replace some of the old religious expressions that still exist today.
Totally. And to bring it to religion, to tie science to religion, what you subtly touched a really good point by saying that you've seen comparisons of Elon Musk to Iron Man.
Yeah,
Um, Iron Man
like a
being
messiah, kind of.
a messiah, or Iron Man being a superhero, right? And
Yes.
superhero coming from heroes, and heroes coming
Oh,
from
okay.
myths.
Yes, so we could make a
So
literal connection. Yeah.
there is a mythology that is beginning to be born, a
Absolutely.
mythology around scientific figures, and especially